Prepare to see the rise of the electric giant Tesla, which intends to deliver 20 million vehicles by 2020 and enter the mass market. Tesla is fully committed to revolutionizing the automotive industry, but the company isn't just focused on electric vehicles, it is also heavily investing in renewable energy and building a new factory in Shanghai that will produce megapacks. In this video, we'll examine Tesla's audacious plans for expanding into the energy storage industries where the company sees a bright future, the advantages of its new factory in China, and how the business is beating the competition. So buckle up and let's take a closer look at Tesla's electrifying future. First things first, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do so now. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up at the end. Tesla has set ambitious goals for itself, including making 20 million deliveries by 2020, which would give it a massive 24% market share and make it the leading automaker. The company has outlined a plan of action for reaching these goals, which includes cutting costs by 50% to enter the mass market and take 50% of the market share. They plan to do this by reducing general assembly and powertrain costs and by expanding into new markets. They intend to establish a new facility in Mexico's Nuevo Leon. In addition to the advantages of being in Mexico, this location offers various advantages such as access to a skilled labor force, lower labor prices, and closeness to vital trade routes. By producing their cars in Mexico, Tesla is also able to benefit from the $75,000 IRA credit, a tax credit granted to American consumers purchasing electric vehicles. This credit can help defray the cost of purchasing a Tesla. By exporting cars from their New Mexican facility, Tesla is able to continue to be eligible for this credit and pass the savings along to its customers. Another advantage of operating in Mexico is that the nation has multiple tariff treaties with Latin American countries. By taking advantage of these agreements, Tesla will be able to offer its products to clients in Brazil and other Latin American nations for less money. Overall, it looks like Tesla made the right decision to open a new plant in Mexico. By utilizing cost savings and branching out into new markets, the company is positioning itself for future growth and success. As a result, many investors are feeling optimistic about the company's prospects and confident about its performance going forward. At Tesla's recent investor day, they demonstrated management talent, which was reassuring because it's not just an Elon Musk company. The Cybertruck is coming this year, and with 1.3 million orders, it will be huge if they can launch it this year and deliver 2,000,000 units the following year, which is worth roughly 40 cents a share. In addition to becoming a well-known manufacturer of superior energy vehicles, Tesla also manufactures solar panels and batteries for the storage of renewable energy, which is crucial for the switch to clean energy. In addition to investing $5 billion in a new gigafactory in Mexico, Tesla has implemented new policies to assist the development of affordable electric vehicles. Their energy business, which includes $801 million in energy generating and storage, is another growth engine. Income. Some analysts have a strong positive outlook on Tesla's energy division and believe it has the potential to be an underappreciated catalyst. In a recent note, investor Gary Black predicted that Tesla Energy will generate roughly $20 billion in revenue and $8 billion in gross profit by 2023. This is a substantial profit margin. Tesla's future appears bright, and investors shouldn't pass up this chance. Tesla was hailed by Canaccord Genuity as a sustainable. The firm has a robust balance sheet to weather any prospective recession. Behemoth pointed to their electric vehicles, solar and energy storage platform, and their dominant position in both areas. According to Annuity, the future looked good for Tesla. With a growing emphasis on renewable energy overall, Tesla offers a variety of solar and energy storage solutions for clean energy applications. Recently, the company revealed intentions to construct a facility in Shanghai to create its megapack batteries, entering the Chinese market at the same time as 10 US. China Relations, the new factory, is scheduled to begin construction in the third quarter of this year and production in the second quarter of 2024, with an annual manufacturing capacity of 10,000 units intended for global distribution. China is Tesla's second largest market, accounting for almost 25% of its revenue in 2022. The company's car facility in Shanghai is in charge of about half of its global car deliveries, servicing both the country's domestic auto market and automobiles for export to Europe. With a population of more than 1.4 billion, China has been a crucial part of Tesla's global growth plan. The firm has benefited greatly from its success there. Since China is the largest automotive market in the world, there is a big chance there for Tesla. As the first foreign automaker with a wholly owned factory in China, Tesla started producing its own gigafactory in Shanghai in late 2019. Since then, the company has been able to capitalize on China's strong demand for electric vehicles, EVs, and the nation's efforts to reduce carbon emissions. The production of the Model 3 and Model Y, the company's most popular vehicles, is done in the Shanghai facility, which has been key in Tesla's growth in China. By producing these vehicles domestically, Tesla has been able to circumvent China's hefty import taxes on foreign-made automobiles. In addition to satisfying local demand, Tesla's vehicles have helped it grow its market share in China's EV industry, which is already the largest in the world. These vehicles also make its automobiles more affordable for Chinese consumers. Additionally, Tesla's Shanghai plant is in charge of exporting cars to foreign markets. In 2020, the plant sent more than 30,000 Model 3 cars to Europe, which increased sales for the company worldwide. This has made it possible for Tesla to benefit from China's low labor costs, as well as its extensive trade agreements with other nations. As a whole, the company's expansion has been greatly aided by Tesla's success in China, which is expected to continue to be a vital market for the business in the years to come. If you're not already aware of how significant this could be for Tesla, consider this: many provinces are requiring new solar and wind farms to have enough batteries to hold a percentage of the electricity they generate. China's increasing demand for grid storage batteries due to waves of blackouts in 2021 has opened up new opportunities for Tesla's energy storage products. Watch this space in the upcoming months. Hit the like button, as the company's future expansion into renewable energy and battery storage areas is bright. To be informed about everything Tesla is doing, subscribe and enable notifications. Returning to the subject at hand, the installation of electricity storage systems has resulted in a massive increase in the global demand for energy storage, both the manufacturing of rechargeable batteries and the chemical reactions required to produce their constituents are dominated by China. Tesla's new Shanghai factory will create megapacks, which have an hourly energy storage capacity equivalent to 3,600 houses. This kind of battery is excellent for utility-scale power storage and is reasonably priced, making it the best option for storing solar and wind energy for later use. Only 5% of Tesla's total revenue comes from energy generation and storage, but as the company's electric utilities shift to renewable energy, the capacity to store electricity when it's not needed becomes increasingly important. In 2016, Elon Musk unveiled Tesla's second phase of its master plan, which included growing the company's line of electric vehicle products, building solar roofs with battery storage, and developing self-driving technologies that are 10 times safer than human drivers. Shanghai was the site of Tesla's new factory for a number of reasons, including the country's dominance in the battery supply chain, which makes it a prime location for boosting output and cutting prices. Moreover, a lot of American businessmen are hesitant to make investments in China as political tensions between the two countries rise. Despite fierce competition from domestic businesses like Warren Buffett's back, Tesla will be able to meet the growing global demand for energy storage thanks to its new factory, which will capitalize on China's battery supply network. Baidu's mentioned Xpeng and Neo Tesla has reduced the cost of its cars and provided incentives to consumers with a new megapack facility in Shanghai and a boost in output at their most recent site. Tesla wants to maintain its lead over the market and keep providing energy storage to fulfill global demand. Elon Musk recently tweeted that the Tesla factory in Shanghai will contribute to the company's megapack facility in California's increased output. The Chinese government and the Biden administration have been pressuring businesses to make investments in innovative technologies. President Biden's inflation reduction legislation offers incentives for the U.S. to produce rechargeable batteries in order to meet the rising demand for electric vehicles. However, cost constraints must be imposed throughout the supply chain, especially for batteries, in order to properly manufacture low-cost electric vehicles. This is in line with Tesla's ambitious ambition to sell 20 million vehicles annually by the end of the decade. Simon Moss, CEO of Benchmark Mineral Intelligence, thinks that if Musk can lower battery prices, Tesla will have an easy time growing. If Musk is unable to lower battery costs, though, rivals will. Be quick to seize market share. What are your opinions on this development? Please share them with us in the comments area below. Also, don't forget to share your opinion about Tesla. If you want to stay up to date on the latest developments from Tesla, make sure to watch the next video that appears on your screen. We hope to see you there.